हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी कैसे हैं? मैं हूँ लल्टू Hmar। आप सभी का मेरा चैनल में स्वागत करता हूँ। आज जो टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करने वाला है, बेसिक अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स। Before moving on to learning the record keeping in details, it will be easier to understand the meaning of certain basic words or our basic accounting terms that we generally use in accountancy. And now here, let's take an example. Paris brought in 10,000 rupees in his business. This money that is brought in by the owner into his business is known as capital. So, Paris' capital is rupees 10,000, and the person who brings in this capital, and in this case, being the sole owner, is known as proprietor. In here, Paris is a proprietor of his shopping mall business. In this month of June, Paris went to a furniture mart and he purchased a chair, table, and computer for his store for rupees 5,000. The chair, a table, and computer will help him in smooth functioning of his business. Such things are known as assets. Since this is an asset which will be used for a long time in the business and is not meant for sale, it is called fixed asset. And now here, hope you understood. And now, can you tell me what Paris business involves? We know that it involves buying and selling a grocery or clothes as the main activity, right? So, this grocery and clothes are and will be called his goods. We know that goods are always purchased for sale, but goods can be different for different business. You know that? For this, for Paris, furniture is an asset and grocery and clothes it is good. But if someone had a business in pure furniture, what will be his good? In that case, furniture would be his good. And in other words, if someone had a business in clothes, what will be his goods? In that case, cloth would be his goods. In the same way, for both singles owns, let's say, singles own a bookstore, goods will be booked. When goods are bought, they are called purchased. And if goods are sold, then they are called sales. It is easy. Are we clear? So far, let's move further. Paris went to a supplier and purchased the goods worth 5,000 rupees. He paid to the supplier 2,000 rupees as cash, and the remaining 100 rupees he is promised to pay within 60 days times the good that purchased in cash, where payment was immediate. We have called cash per, where 60 days is time to pay the remaining money. This is a credit purchase. Means that payment will be made at a future date. And now, who do you know from the word credit? Yeah, it relates to some thoughts of a benefit, right? For the person who gives benefits or allows the credit is called creditor. Here, Paris is a supplier. He is a creditor. But Paris has received the benefit of times. This means that he has to pay it a future date, which means he had been debt. He owes money to the supplier. Dear, Paris is the debtor here. And now let's proceed. Paris became a debtor, a creditor, because he is in debt. Then Paris then started selling grocery. Most customers paid him in cash. For Paris, this will be cash sale. A customer purchases goods and promised to pay in 1 month's time. This sale is credit sale. Here, the situation is reversed. And now, can you tell me who is giving the credit and who is in debt? Now, here, Paris is giving that credit. So here he is the creditor and his customer are in debt, so they are the debtors. Is noted? Okay, hope you understand.
Chun April angkan Paris in business at home naman dingin poisa singkat le poisa in cheng sing ni ang choice Chutaka Paris in business tan na dinga investment at hopo total rupees 30,000 to capital 80 chung chun mi tu angkom business tan na dinga capital investment hung tho tu hai chu proprietor or owners business owner 18 oka. Let's go to the next point. What is asset? We know that assets are the valuable resources owned by an enterprise, which can be measured in terms of money. And here, Paris already purchased goods for his business, as chair, furniture, etc. and so on are the assets of his business, because all these are owned by business and can be measured in terms of money. Asset ti umji su erita till economic resources. Mating features at benefits ni pitay tu ding hai tlok na mutay na ding hai eril tang kan peresin business atan ta a business sa ding chun thum no apoy mo nok ta ing man na table chair computer etc ti hai apoy mo hai chu chung hai kam chu asset etia abi takin asset business sa machinery land furniture building ti hai po mi asset anya thil shim mati nga phil hlok na a business ta dinga hlok na mo me pe thai tu ding hai kha khangka future benefits ading hai kha khangka asset irita they are the economic resource of the business and thing which will enable the firm to get benefits in the future is an asset. It's easy. Asset which are mainly of two types such as current asset and non-current asset. Masatakin, what is non-current asset? Non-current asset to imania. Ti hangay to potla. Non-current asset iti chu, which are not for sale. Children in chok luta. Jersok nok denga in chok lut hai kanilo. Children in chok ta chu ay business ta denga tangkay na denga til in chok hai ka. Kangay ka non-current asset or fixed asset iti. Example hang ril depin la enter na dingin. Benga loan ka lakta. Sop khom ko hong taboka. Til sop high investment hai ka thota ka business ka tanta chu ka business tan ka business sa ding chun ing em ka mo chung table chair computer ti hai pa po ka business ran na ding poimo na dinga ka business sa poimo dinga thil thum no kan chok hai po chu chung hai chu non current assets iti chun current asset chu imania what is current asset chu converted into cash goods convert into cash within 1 year asset shim poisa suma in changter the gutsai rim ka kumkat sunga poisa suma thom no ain changter hai ka kangai ka current asset ta example in rasgula chu gutsania table hai ka magutsania chung hai pa po sofa ka jor kumkat sunga poisa suma kan chok kan converted poisa suma kan changter hai chu chung hai pa po chu current asset ite thil trim thom no anput na poisa suma ain changter hai ka current asset ite. Let's go to the next point. What is creditor? Creditors to imania. Example in relata. For example, Paris then started selling grocery. Parisian grocery zornasin athota business. Chungchun Paris su customer tam takin anhung dor tanta thum no hain to in apoy san pek ngala. Chung apoy san pek ngalai chu cash sale itino. Amiruk chu customer hain Paris adoran thoka thum no batan lang hai chu credit sale itino bo. Chungchun Parisin customer hai koma thum no credit sale le cash sale an chok ternalation Paris chu creditors ahong nita. Ul samjongin creditors iti rim chu til in batter tu hai kha til in batter tu rim hai chu creditors iti. Chung pachun debtor chu imania. Parisin customer hai ko mathum no abata anzorter abata Ang chok ternalay chun peris chu creditors hong ni a tu hayam debtors ni tangan ta. Debtors hai chu customer hai chun dinong ta. Asan chu abata peris ko ma business ko man to ka thum no hai rim abata ang lang lain chu customer hai chu debtors an hong ni ta ni. Khang po kan creditors le debtors thai umji a hrit thi mai hang ringa. Creditor is a person or enterprise to whom an enterprise owes amount against credit purchase of goods or service taken. And debtor is a person or entity who owes amount to the enterprise against credit sales of goods or service rendered. Chulain perisin business atana perisin customer hai kuma thum no abata an lak terna chu peris chu creditor song nita a chun customer hain peris ko man to ka thum no abata an lak na chu or an lak na lay chun customer hai chu debtor an hung nita ni. Hope you understood the concept of creditors and debtors. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, I'm going to discuss some more basic terms of accounting. Thank you for watching.